Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the file format and where it lives. This matters. Once done, install a lightweight database engine, SQLite for single files, or PostgreSQL for larger, multi-user needs. Make sure to use a GUI like DB Browser or pgadmin so you can inspect tables visually. Next, create a new database file on an SSD and ensure disk space exceeds the dataset size. This prevents import failures. Now you're ready to run the first import command. You import the CSV using the database's bulk loader, SQLite 3. Import or PostgreSQL copy from these stream data without loading everything into memory. While importing, explicitly declare column types so the engine stores values efficiently. Once imported, create indexes on the columns you will filter or join on. This makes queries fast. After indexing, run select count, asterisk, and a few sample select limit 10 queries to validate data integrity, and adjust types or re-import only if you spot issues. You now use SQL to extract only the rows and columns you need. Export those subsets as CSVs that fit Excel's grid limit: 1048, 576 rows by 16, 384 columns, and open them normally. Once you export, you can also load data into Excel's data model via Power Query for pivoting. If queries run slowly, make sure to add appropriate indexes, run a vacuum or reindex, and increase the database memory cache. These troubleshooting steps usually resolve performance bottlenecks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.